How to get rid of raccoons for good. Here are some effective methods to get rid of raccoons from your property. Don't miss the preventative measures at the end of the video. Raccoons, with their distinctive mask-like facial markings and agile movements, may appear adorable from a distance, but when they start invading your property, they can become a nuisance. Raccoons are attracted to readily available food sources, and unsecured trash bins are like a buffet for them. Invest in sturdy, animal-proof trash cans with tight-fitting lids to prevent raccoons from accessing your garbage. Apart from trash, raccoons are drawn to pet food left outside or bird feeders. Bring pet food indoors after your pets have finished eating, and consider installing bird feeders that are inaccessible to raccoons, such as hanging them from a height or using baffles. Raccoons can squeeze through surprisingly small openings, so inspect your property for any potential entry points, such as gaps in fences, broken vents, or openings in your attic. Seal these openings with sturdy materials like hardware cloth or metal flashing to prevent raccoons from gaining access to your home. There are various commercial repellents available that can deter raccoons from frequenting your property. These repellents often contain natural ingredients like pepper, garlic, or predator urine, which emit odors that raccoons find unpleasant. Follow the instructions carefully when applying these repellents around your property. Raccoons are nocturnal animals and are often deterred by bright lights and sudden noises. Install motion-activated lights or sprinklers in areas where raccoons are known to frequent to startle them and discourage them from returning. Raccoons are skilled climbers and may use overhanging branches or dense bushes as pathways to access your property. Trim back branches and vegetation that could provide raccoons with easy access to your home or other structures. If raccoons persist despite your best efforts, you may need to resort to trapping and removal. However, it's essential to check local regulations before attempting to trap raccoons, as some areas may require permits or have specific guidelines for humane trapping and relocation. If you're unsure how to deal with a raccoon infestation or if your efforts have been unsuccessful, consider seeking assistance from professional wildlife removal services. These experts have the knowledge, experience, and equipment to safely and effectively remove raccoons from your property. Once you've successfully removed raccoons from your property, take preventative measures to discourage future infestations. Continue to secure trash bins, eliminate food sources, and regularly inspect your property for any signs of raccoon activity. By implementing these methods, you can effectively get rid of raccoons and prevent them from causing further damage to your property. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and see you in the next video.